This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Harn. Must-see pool home with a beautiful large private backyard. Gorgeous Summerwood Floor Plan in Bridgetown at the Plantation has it all. Home features 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 tandem garage, and amp, a saltwater heated pool. Sold turnkey furnished. Beautiful open kitchen, large island that overlooks a bright gathering room, perfect for entertaining and amp, everyday living. This open concept floor plan features upgraded 12 by 24 inches tile floors in the main living areas. 0 corner sliding doors blend the living and amp, large outdoor living space west/pool and oversized covered living area. The spacious kitchen features 42 whitewood cabinets, quartz counters, luxury stainless appliances, and amp, island. This wonderfully maintained home is hurricane protected west/impact windows and amp, doors and hurricane shutter for the lanai area. Spacious Primary Suite has large walk-in closet and amp, bathroom west/dual sinks, quartz counters and amp, walk-in shower. Other features include garage for FTX, custom cabinets and laundry, plantation shutters, custom indoor/outdoor lighting.Bridgetown is a gated community that features resort-style pool/spa, tennis/pickleball courts, bocce, and amp, fitness center.Convenient location near I-75, shopping, restaurants, airport and amp, beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Harn at 239-482-5700.